Welcome to Katie's Pizza and Pasta, and today we're going to make some fall pizzas. I would describe the taste of fall as savory, as comforting, but you've still got some brightness left over from the summer. The four pizzas that I think would be perfect for fall are the corn and zucchini, the fig and squash, the roasted chicken with the gorgonzola, and then the pear and prosciutto.
I think these four pizzas for fall allow operators to be adventurous without being too daring.
Right.
We haven't really introduced anything that's too out there from an ingredient perspective. Most of the ingredients are readily available and from any food service distributor.
Yeah, and you can do comforting ingredients, and then you can bring in some late summer ingredients too. So fall's kind of a nice season where you get a little bit of both. To be able to be on trend and be innovative while still having, you know, a pizza that tastes good, because ultimately that's the bottom line. It's got to taste good.
I think we've got a nice balance of four really good fall recipes.